Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yage here. Today I am making salt and pepper squid. This is one of my favorite to order at restaurants. It is just light and it's got a little bit of kick to it. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and join the family where you get delicious meals like this every single week. Okay, let's get into this. Okay guys, so the ingredients are calamari, peppercorn, sea salt, plain flour, corn flour, onions, chili, all-purpose seasoning and cooking oil. Alright, let's get into this. So what I am doing right now is we are just roasting the peppercorns on the hob just for a few minutes, about 2 minutes. You can see the steam coming off it, and the next stage is to pop it into my mortar and pestle so I can mash it into my golden dust. Guys, you'll understand why this is, but this is an essential. It is absolutely amazing. So you can see I've just added some sea salt to it as well, and now we're just mashing away. Okay guys, so this is the consistency we need for this dish. Amazing guys. Right, so this is my calamari. What I'm going to do now is just slice them apart and then just obviously put those lines in between them. I can't remember what they're called now, it will come to me. And yeah, so I like to mix the sizes, make some a bit small and make some a bit big as well. But guys, it's just amazing. Even the smell in the kitchen right now is so nice and fresh. I wish you could be in here with me, but yeah, amazing. Right, so what I'm doing now is just I've got a tray out and I'm just going to pop my calamari onto a kitchen towel just to damp all the water from obviously having the calamari all nice and cleaned. So this will keep the squid nice and dry in order to obviously take in the flour even better. Okay, so I've popped them into a dish and now I'm going to pop in my golden dust. Seriously guys, this is an amazing thing to just have at home. So I'm popping that on there and now I'm going to stir it with some spoon just to make sure each squid is obviously coated properly with the salt and pepper. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do now is pop in a cup of flour and 1/3 of corn flour as well. Mix them together, make sure they're all obviously intertwined. Is that the word? Guys, just allow me please. Okay, and the next stage, I'm just popping in some all-purpose seasoning and then a little bit of my peppercorn and salt mix and then stirring it through again. Right, so you can see I'm just coating it into the mixture of the flour, corn flour, all-purpose seasoning, and I'm just putting all the seasoned squid into that and then obviously putting it aside, ready to be fried. Okay, so we've got the cooking oil in there. I use sunflower oil. So what I just did is tested the oil to make sure it was ready to pop in the squid, and it was perfect. So I'm just popping all the squid in. Alright, then I've got my little sieve which I'm going to use to stir it through, but obviously I'll allow it to fry for about a minute first. And it should be lovely and golden when it's ready, like you're by the sea. by the sea, like you're on holiday by the beach. Amazing. I love having squid, oh my gosh, on holiday. If you feel the same way, please comment below and tell me. So you can see that is nice and golden, so that is done. You don't want to overcook your squid either, otherwise it gets really chewy and that's not a good look. Right, so what I'm doing now is popping in a second batch, and whenever you pop in the second batch, I would say always leave it for about 2 minutes extra in order for it to get into the same level as the first one. So just fry it for a little bit longer, for 2 more minutes. Again, we're just doing the same thing again, allowing it to fry until it's golden, and then we'll pop it aside as well onto a kitchen towel to soak up any extra oil as well. I just love watching it fry. It's like it's dancing around. Amazing. Okay, you can literally eat this as it was, okay, just if you didn't want any of the salt and pepper, but it's good and you can have some sauce to dip that in. But what I'm doing now is I've just put some garlic and ginger paste and a little bit of oil into the pan, along with the spring onion and the chili, and we're just going to allow it to saute for about 2 minutes. Pour in your squid. Guys, that just looks divine already, doesn't it? Absolutely amazing. Yeah, that's my new favorite word I've noticed. Amazing. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to pop a little bit of my sea salt and peppercorn mix into the mix. I like it nice and seasoned, guys. And then just stir it through, make sure it's well coated. And that is it. It is done, guys. If you have enjoyed this lovely recipe, please give it a nice thumbs up and comment below if you'd like to see more things like this. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and join the family where you get amazing recipes like this every single week. Just so you see this, I'm just drizzling some of the lime on top of my calamari. Perfect. Anyway guys, see you in my next video. Stay tuned and stay sweet. Bye.